best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave.
Hey everyone, Bronte here. Welcome to A Clean With Me. In today's video, I'm going to give you some serious cleaning motivation and share a couple of cleaning hacks with you. We are focusing mostly on the downstairs portion of my house. We are going to clean and disinfect because we just got over being sick. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and stick around and hang out with us for more videos like this. So today I'm going to start by stripping my bed, and I'm going to be removing the sheets from my bed and bleaching those sheets.
Nighttime rumors, we were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
I'll be using Clorox splashless bleach, no scent to it, to bleach the sheets, and I'm just going to fill that up to the max line on my bleach dispenser in my washing machine. And then I'm just using the Arm & Hammer Plex OxiClean laundry detergent from Costco, fill that up to the normal line, and I'm going to run this on a sanitary cycle so that we can kill any germs or any bacteria that are on those sheets, especially from sweaty people. And life hack, cleaning hack for you, put your laundry detergent cup in the washing machine and run it through. That way you will not have a gunky, sticky laundry detergent cup the next time that you do laundry. I'm also going to be removing the pillowcases from our pillows on our couch, and then I'm going to wash those once the sheets are done, and then wash our throw blankets as well. Now I'm just going to pick up the living room and get everything back in order.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Epiphany rising, got it all wrong, you see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't it fun recognizing your mistakes? Got me like ooh, feelings like ooh.
And now the fun stuff begins. I am going to disinfect everything using this disinfectant spray by Up & Up. It is a Target version of a Lysol spray. I'm going to spray the pillow inserts, I'm going to spray the couch, I'm going to spray the remote, I'm going to spray the rug eventually too. It is not the most eco-friendly thing ever, so I'm doing this in a very well ventilated area. I have the windows open and I have the fan on, and my kids are not around. So I'm just going to disinfect everything using this spray, and I'm also going to be using these Kirkland disinfecting wipes in a lemon scent. They are the scrubbing wipes, and they kill a bunch of different viruses except norovirus. They do not kill norovirus, so if you're looking for something to kill that, these are not it, but Clorox makes a hydrogen peroxide one that works really well. So I'm just going to wipe down the ottoman. They have these trays on top of our ottoman, and I'm also going to wipe down the ottoman itself. It's a pleather ottoman, so I'm not too worried about these rubbing anything off or ruining the finish on it because, like I said, it's pleather, and I've used these a ton before. These are my favorite disinfectant wipes ever. I'm also going to spray the toys that are in the ottoman that we use as a toy box. I'll be using those same Kirkland wipes to wipe down all of our door handles, wipe down the locks, wipe down the light switches, and I'm also going to wipe down the doors using these Kirkland wipes and the baseboards. These things are amazing. The scrubbing ones are by far my favorite, but they do have ones that are non-scrubbing that work just as well. I even keep some of these in the diaper bag for if we go out to a restaurant, I can wipe down the high chair and the table, and I don't have to worry about any gunk or anything left behind by anybody else. These wipes are amazing. If you've been around for a while, you know that I'm obsessed with them. I just haven't had any for a while, but now that I have them, you know I'm going to be using these all of the time. I love them so much. They're such a great multi-purpose wipe. And I'm just going to take a minute. If you are new around here, my name is Bronte. I am a mommy of 2. I live in Las Vegas with my husband, our 2 kiddos who are 1.5 and 4 years old, and our dog. And if you are new, come and introduce yourself in the comments. I love connecting with you guys, talking to you guys. So come say hi in the comments and introduce yourself. I love getting to know you guys better.
Rain all over me, 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 over
I'll be using the magical wipes to wipe down the rest of the surfaces in the living room, such as the shutters. The kids like to open up this shutter, so there's some stuff all over it from their little grubby hands. It is life with children though, so I'm totally used to it, but I definitely want to get all of that cleaned off and then just disinfect the handles to open the shutters, because obviously we've been sick and I want to get everything nice and clean. I'm also going to be using these wipes to wipe down our TV console too.
This time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no.
Back at it again with that up and up version of a Lysol spray, getting all those toys nice and clean that we have in our little bins in our TV console. And once I'm done wiping everything up and disinfecting that, I'm going to move on to cleaning up the kitchen. Luckily, it's not too much of a mess, and most of what needs to be done is just picking stuff up, putting stuff away, and then wiping everything down. And I'm going to be using the Clorox Scentiva spray. It's a disinfecting spray in a Tuscan lavender and vanilla scent. It smells really great and it makes everything smell really good, and bonus points for being disinfecting.
You are with me. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. You shine brighter, brighter.
Interrupting your regular programming to show you these lemon pumpkin shortbread wax cubes from Walmart Better Homes and Gardens. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you have a wax melt or if you've been thinking about getting one, get you one. Go get these. They smell so good. They smell like heaven. They are a fall scent without being too fall scented, like overpowering pumpkin spice kind of scent. They seriously smell amazing. You could even use them throughout the year because they're not too pumpkin-y. They seriously smell so good. You have to get them. And a couple of girls that I've talked to haven't been able to find them, so go check out your Walmart and get you some. They seriously smell so good. So I'm going to show you a cleaning hack after I finish wiping up this stove. It is such a good cleaning hack. I do not know how I ever survived life before this or how I did not think of this, but a friend of mine here on YouTube who also has some really great cleaning motivation, her name is Whitney P. She shared this hack on one of her cleaning videos recently, and I was just blown away by how well it worked, and I do not even understand how I didn't even think to clean this area of the kitchen. All you do is take a butter knife and you put a paper towel or a tissue on your butter knife and slide it on the sides of the stove. I went the extra step and sprayed it with some disinfectant cleaning spray, that's Scentiva by Clorox, and you just slide it along the sides of the stove. Hello, this has probably never been done, and it was disgusting, but it works so well. Try it and go thank Whitney for this because it is so good. If you're still here and you've managed to survive my rant, go leave me a thumbs up emoji in the comments.
Stronger than I ever been. I'll work it up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I get high.
I'm going to be using that Scentiva spray to wipe down the oven, and then I'm also going to be using it to wipe down the fridge too. It works super great on both of these surfaces, so if you haven't tried this spray, I highly recommend checking it out. The coconut one is by far my favorite out of the 2 scents that I've seen, so check these 2 out. They smell so good and they leave a nice fresh scent in your kitchen or wherever you're cleaning. So while I was in the kitchen cleaning, my 1.5-year-old daughter had a glass of milk and she spilled it all over the floor. I made the mistake of not putting a lid on it for her because she didn't want a lid on it, but that was my mistake. So anyways, I'm just gonna mop up the milk and then we're gonna actually come back in a little bit and really mop the floors in the living room and make sure to get all of that milk up. But for now, I'm using those Kirkland brand disinfectant wipes and I'm just gonna wipe down the island. And this island I will have linked below. It is from Wayfair and we are obsessed with it. It is perfect for a kitchen that does not have a ton of counter space, or you just need extra counter space and extra storage space. And now that that is all wiped down, I am going to empty the dishwasher because I forgot to do that earlier, and then I'm going to wash any dishes that need to be washed by hand, and I'm also going to clean the sink. Something that I like to do when I'm done with dishes is wipe down the sink with my wash rag and get any food particles out of the sink before actually cleaning it. And today I'm going to be using the Comet Soft Cleanser with bleach, and I'm just using a sponge that I use for cleaning to rub it all around and scrub everything down really well. Another great cleaning option for the sink is to use vinegar and spray vinegar and water mixture with a little bit of dish soap around the sink, and then sprinkle baking soda on that and let that sit for a while. But today I just wanted something that was quick and super easy, so I'm using the Comet. And now I'm going to wipe down the dining table, and I'm just going to use that Clorox Scentiva, and I'm also going to be using this on the kids' booster seats. It is not the most natural cleaner, and I'm very aware of that, but this is what I have right now, so this is what I'm going to use. Get it nice and disinfected and get everything super nice and clean. Now that everything's wiped down and I've wiped all of the crumbs that were on the counters and the table onto the floor, it is time to vacuum, and I'm going to be using my favorite vacuum, my Shark upright rocket vacuum. It works so well, it maneuvers so well, and I rave about it in pretty much every cleaning video. So if you are an OG and you've been around for a while, I am sorry for repeating myself again, but this vacuum is just too good not to share. And if you have been searching for a vacuum, I highly recommend getting this one. I also have the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty Vacuum, which is super amazing, and I plan on doing a review video about that to go in depth about it because it is such an amazing robot vacuum, and it is so cool that it self-empties. Time to mop using the O-Cedar Easy Ring Mop, which I am obsessed with, and I have a little helper here. This is my 1.5-year-old daughter Kingsley. For those of you that are new around here, she loves to help me clean. She will come in and help me randomly, so you will probably see her throughout my videos if you stick around and hang out with us and subscribe. So I'm just using a mixture of vinegar, water, and the tiniest little bit of dish soap to clean the floors. Vinegar is a great disinfectant, and it works really well on cleaning laminate floors. It helps get that film that may be left behind from other floor cleaners. So I highly recommend trying vinegar and water and a teeny tiny bit of dish soap if you are looking for something new to clean your floors and you don't want to go out and buy floor cleaner. This is amazing. So while I'm in the process of getting laundry going and cleaning all the floor blankets and pillowcases, I'm going to throw more of our throw blankets in there, and I'm just going to run these on a sanitary cycle using that Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean laundry detergent and throw that laundry cup in the washing machine. So my sheets are all nice and clean, and now it is time to make my bed so that I have a nice clean bed to get into.
To get a little lost in everybody's business, why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out.
My bed has been made, downstairs has been cleaned up, and I hope that this video has been super motivating for you guys. Maybe you were up and cleaning with me. If not, I hope that this gets you up to get some chores done on your chore list that you need to do. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and being here. It means the world to me to have you guys here, and if you are new, please hang out with us and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. I have a bunch of cleaning, lifestyle, and motherhood stuff on here, a lot of clean with me's to give you that cleaning motivation, so stick around and join us. Thank you guys again for watching. It truly means the world to me. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Dressing up beverages, show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering her faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies.